Hi ladies, happy Thursday. I want to thank all of you who came out today to celebrate our open house, our annual open house. It will be continuing through Friday and Saturday. Everything in the store, except the exceptions, are going to be 30% off. Brighton Formal Wear, Julie Voss, and Hammett, as well as our already reduced sale merchandise, are discluded from the sale. But everything else in the store, jewelry, shoes, handbags, great clothes, all that good stuff, is going to be 30% off for 2 more days. So it's a good time to take advantage of that. We also have a Brighton promo starting tomorrow. So for any $150 purchase, this is their new tote. It has the love with the jewels on it. It has a bejeweled gusset. And it has a heart of jewels on the back. Brighton finishes everything. They are a 100% top-notch company. They do the inside. There is a beautiful jeweled butterfly. It has a pouch, a zipper pouch. So that's on the inside, as well as the treatment of the jewels, the charms going around, and it is also on the bottom. So they do a wonderful job. These are my grocery bags because they sit up nicely. They have that wide gusset. You can pack them nicely, and they're so heavy. They take a lot of heavy merchandise in it. So it's a great tote, and I have probably 8 of them, and I'm looking for another one to add to my collection. So that's going to be for a $150 purchase or more. If you do $250, there is a matching cosmetic bag that has another bag on the inside. So it's really like a pouch with a smaller pouch on like a coin size pouch on the inside, and then the outside is probably like a larger makeup bag. So that is going to be if you spend $250 or more. We have not gotten those in yet. They should be here tomorrow. So anyway, that's going on. So for tomorrow, our additional discounted or surprise for you ladies is going to be the SPX printed Lulubi fabric is going to be 50% off instead of 30 for tomorrow. So it will just be, you will either have to call Friday or you will have to come in by Friday to get the 50% off. So I'm going to show you what prints we have and what pieces we have. This is everything I'm telling you is all that will be 50% off in Lulubi. The solid SPX is not on sale. The puffer vests are not on sale. Any of their other things are not, I mean, they're 30% off, but they're not 50. The only thing 50 is SPX in the prints. So I'm going to go through and show you what prints we have. And just in case you are not familiar with Lulubi, this is probably their #1 fabric. They do it 12 months out of the year. I refer to this fabric as being bulletproof. You cannot hurt this fabric. You can actually spill coffee, spill something on it, and it just kind of repels off. It's not hot, it's not cold. It does have SPF in it, so it is also sun resistant as well. So it's a great product. It is, what did I say the content was? 780 something. They're all the same fabric contents. I don't need 92 nylon and 8 spandex. A wonderful, great fabric. So I am not going to be needing these glasses anymore, so I'm putting them up. So in this print, it does have, we decided this had navy.
Navy.
Okay, so the dark color is navy, but it is a dark color, so you probably could get by with the black, but it's just a splash of all different shades of blues and turquoises there. This is a, their basic V-neck 3/4 sleeve. I have this print at 83, I have an extra large, and I have a 1X. They're full zip that they do, which is great just to throw on with lots of things. It does have the raw stitching going down the back and the front, and it does have your pockets. Another wonderful item. This priced at $109. In that print, I have a large, make that 2 larges, 2 extra larges, and I have 2 pieces in a 1X. The next piece in that fabric is going to be the dress. So this is the ruffled V-neck 3/4 sleeve dress. So it's kind of a little bit of an A-line dress. The dress is priced at $101. In that, I have an extra small, a small, 2 mediums, a large, 2 extra large, 2 1X, and 1 in a 2X. Moving right along to another print. This is actually the same print in a black background, but this has got your royal and your grays and cream and kind of a white. This first style is a new style for them. It kind of has, I was going to say a kangaroo pocket, but it's not a kangaroo pocket. It does have nice deep pockets on both sides. It is a scoop neck, and this is a long sleeve, right? Yes. Okay, it is priced at $83. In that print and that style, I have a small, an extra large, and a 1X. The next style is going to be their asymmetrical style. So it goes down a little bit in a point on the right side. This is 3/4 sleeve, and it is a also modified scoop, priced at $78. I have that one in an extra small, a 1X, 2 1Xs. That is it for that print. Moving right along, this is the twin print that I have on, but this is in your asymmetrical style. So here again, it goes down a little bit lower there, priced at $78. I have an extra small, I have a small, I have 2 mediums, I have a large, and I have a 1X and a 2X in that. Same print. This is in the ruffled V-neck 3/4 sleeve. And these are great for spring and summer as well as fall and winter. So now would be a great time to get them, and you could even have them for spring next year or wear them layered with a vest or something with them. Okay, this one is priced at $86. And in this one, I have an extra small, a small, medium, 2 extra larges, and 1 in a 1X. Here's the same print, and this is a black background in this print. So it's black and white with that pop of deep sea color. This is my favorite style, or one of my favorites. This is a half zip long sleeve. I love this for traveling. Priced at $86. I have that in an extra large, and I have a 1X. We are in the same print, different style. This is the 3/4 sleeve. This is their tunic, so it's a little bit longer, kind of has a mandarin collar with the button treatment there, priced at $91. And in this, I have 2 mediums, 2 large, and 1 extra large. And next to the last piece in this print is going to be a dress. This is their 3-tiered dress, ruffle dress. At the bottom, it has a ruffle, and it has a 2 ruffle at the end of the sleeve. It is a 3/4 sleeve, priced at $101. In this, I have an extra small, a medium, 2 large, and 2 in a 1X. Here is the same print, different colorway. So this is another black and white background. This has khaki and a pop of that clear pink. This was a newer style for them. It is a 3/4 sleeve, collared V-neck. Priced at $88. I have 2 pieces left in that print, and they are both large. Here again is the same print. This is navy, Kelly green, and white. So this is a basic V-neck 3/4 sleeve, priced at $83. I have a small, I have an extra large, and I have a 2X in that. Here is the full zip in that same print. This one is priced at $109, and in that I have a small, a large, 2 extra larges, and a 1X. And I do have a dress left in that print. This is the ruffled V-neck 3/4 sleeve, priced at $101. And I have this in an extra small, an extra large, and I have 2 pieces in a 1X. Now we are switching up prints. We are going to do this print that is navy, and it's a beautiful periwinkle blue. It has your clear pink and white in it. This is the asymmetrical style, priced at 78. 3/4 sleeves. I have an extra small, a small, a medium, and a large. Here is the tunic style that I showed you earlier. This one is priced at 91. And in a tunic, I have one piece, and it is a small. This is the style with the 2 pockets. It kind of has a shirt tail hem. And this one is a long sleeve. It is priced at 83. I have an extra small, a small, and a medium in that. Now we are into the dresses in that same print. This is your 3/4 sleeve V-neck ruffle, priced at 101, and I have that in an extra small, a medium, make that 2 mediums. Now we're moving on to another print. This was a very different print from them. It's very geometric-y print, so it's kind of circles and squares. It's black, navy, khaki, and white. And this is that new style with that V-neck collared blouse. And this is a 3/4 sleeve. Priced at 88. And this one I have a large and a 1X left. This was a newer dress style. It's a 3/4 sleeve. It has the wide hem and a wide, nice slit there. It has a V-neck, and it does have a wide hem with a slit as well. This one is priced at 109. And in this, I have a medium, I have a large, and an extra large. Now we are moving on, and this will be the last print. And this is going to be their giraffe print. And this is the navy and Kelly green basic V-neck 3/4 sleeve with the ruffle, priced at 86. I have an extra small, a medium, and 3 extra larges in that. Here's the same print, different colorway. So this is navy and your periwinkle blue in the giraffe print at 86. I have an extra small, I have a small, and I have a medium in that. This is the half zip long sleeve. This is the last piece I have in this print. It is priced at 86, and this is a 2X. We do have pants in that print. This is their nice straighter leg pant that they did. We did so good with this year. A new style for us to have. And this is just a regular, is it an ankle or full length? I think it's full length.
I think it's full length.
Yeah. Okay, the pants are priced at 81. And in this print, I have a small, I have 2 mediums, I have a large and an extra large. I have one dress left in that print. This is the one with the wide hem and the slits, 3/4 sleeve, priced at 109. I have a small, 2 mediums, an extra large, and 2 in a 1X. Same print, just a different colorway. This is black and khaki. Great basics. 3/4 sleeve. And this is the ruffled neck, priced at 86. I have an extra small, and I have a 1X in that. I have a few pieces left in the tunic style at 91. I have a small, medium, large, and a 1X. And this is just the basic V-neck 3/4 sleeve. Priced at 83. I have one piece left in that, and it is a 1X. Here is the full zip in the black and taupe at 109. I have a small, I have a large, and I have a 1X. Here is that ruffled dress style. It has 3 ruffles at the bottom and 2 on the sleeve. This is a good dress that you can kind of dress up or down. Priced at 101. In this, I have an extra small, I have a medium, I have 2 extra larges, and I have 2 in a 1X. And the last thing we're going to finish with are our maxis. in the giraffe print, which is your navy and Kelly. It is the same style I have on. It has a nice side slit. It's something you can kind of dress up. This stuff packs amazing. If you are going on a trip, it will look just like this when you take it out of your suitcase. Even if it's been in there for hours and hours and hours. You just let it go. Great fabric. Priced at $109 are the maxis in this giraffe blue green combo. I have an extra small, a medium, a large, and 2 extra larges. And then of course my twin. And this one priced the same at $109. I have an extra small, a medium. I have 2 extra larges, and I have a 2X. But I thought I had on a large.
Come here. Oh, sorry.
I know,
ya.
I am shocking.
Yeah, you have on a large.
Okay. Hope I didn't mess these two up. Extra small. You know, that's what I did. When I put the sizes on them, I put the wrong sizes.
Okay, tell
so
me again.
let me refresh. This giraffe print in the blue and the green, I have an extra small, a medium, 2 extra larges, and a 2X.
Are you sure? Because I don't see a...
No. Y'all,
Read them off the thing up there. How about that? Let's just do it that way.
I'm not going to be guaranteed to not make a mistake.
Yeah, okay. So in the Kelly green and the navy giraffe.
In the Kelly green and in the navy.
We have an extra small.
Extra small. Small. 2 mediums, a large, an extra large, 2 extra larges.
Okay.
Okay, in my twin, we have an extra small, a medium, a large, 2 extra larges, and a 2X.
Okay.
I just didn't put down the large that I had on, is all. So, okay, ladies. Never a better time to get Lulu Bee, especially when you can get it for 50% off on the SPX fabric. So that will just be for tomorrow and tomorrow only.
By 5 p.m.
By 5 p.m. you will need to either call the store or text Allie or make a message on Instagram or Facebook. The store number is 336-766-7440. Again, we will still be, if you're an out-of-towner, we will enter your name for a drawing of a gift certificate, as well as when you come in, we will enter your name for a drawing. And every day, we're doing this in the middle of Thursday, so not really on, so I haven't drawn for today. So, and we may end up doing just 3 names random at the next week, like Monday when we do a video, do 3 names from each. But we do have 2 different categories, so anyway, that's a lot. So we would love for you to come out and shop local this holiday season, whether you need something for a gift or you would like it just for yourself. Merry Christmas to you. So as always, ladies, thanks for watching, and we appreciate your patronage. Have a great one.